Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about an inbuilt Python data structure called list. List is a sequence of items in a specified order. This order allows you to access and modify each items based on their location within the list. This making list to be mutable. You can create a list with the use of square brackets, which may contain data of the same or different data types. Over here, you can see this first collection variable assigned to an empty list right here. For second collection and third collection variable, they have collections of items assigned to them. For this one here, it's collection of the same data type, while this other one is of different data types. This one is collection of strings, while this one is collection of both strings and integers. For us to interact with these items within the list, we need to make use of indexing. Note, indexing starts from 0. Here, to get this first value here, we have to use the index of 0, which is incremental by the addition of 1. So this one here is 1, 2. So let's assume we need to get this third item in second collection. How do we go about this? So we need to do second collection, then taking the index 2, and this gives us finance. Also, let's try the third collection. And try to get the fourth item here. So this gives us the fourth item. Let's assume we want to get the last item in a list. This can use this index -1. This gives us the last item for this variable. For the reversed order of the list, the index starts from -1. It is possible for a list to have collection of lists as its collection of items, just the way we have it right here. This is collection of lists. So for us to interact with the items within this employee collection, we need to loop over the items. For this collection of lists, let's just assume an organization is trying to distribute t-shirts to her employees. So they need to know the number of t-shirts needed and the number of each categories of the sizes. So how do we do that? For us to get that done, let's look through each item in this employee. Okay. Let us go ahead to print out each item. Alright. So let's assume that over here I would like to print out some values from each of the item. That is, I would like to say that the names here has this particular size. So I could just go ahead to say okay, you can see that picks each of the names as you can see that it uses the names as the following sizes. But for here, we need to get the sizes. How do I go about this then? That means I need to create an empty list right here where I can append my sizes into. Okay, let me comment this out, and let me say the size variable out there I want to append each of my sizes into it. So okay, we can see that right here we can see that right here I'm getting the list of my sizes from each of my items. But let's assume I have this variable in here. Let's assume I have my variable in here. What would be the result? This is not giving me what I'm expecting. So the reason why this is like this is because this variable is scoped to this block of code here, this loop here. So please go ahead to watch my previous video where I discussed about scope of variable. This will explain further. So this is what I want here. So I would like to get the size of this. I would like to get the length rather. I would like to get the length here. Yes, so this is 5. That means they need, let's assume that's the number of t-shirts they need to get for the employees. And also if I would like to know the number of each categories, I could go ahead to use this list method. Yep, so over here I'm getting 2, and from these our collection we only have 2 medium sizes here. Now we've come to the end of this video. If you have any question or comment for me, please do drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.